Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Next we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Because I want to cancel about the root, so we need to use about the power 2 and the power 3 in here. This one is about a minus b. So if we want to create about a square minus b square, we need to multiply by a plus b. So that should be about the square root of s plus 1. Because we just create this factor in here, so this one should be multiplied on numerator and denominator. Now, if we want to create about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, we need to multiply by a square plus ab plus b square. So this one we need to create about the factor in here. Because we just create another factor, so we need to put on numerator. And now we need to simplify this one. That's about this one. So you got about s minus 1. Similar for this one. Now we simplify s minus 1. Now we can write this one into s to the power of 2 over 3. This one you got about s to the power of 1 over 3. This one you got about s to the power of 1 over 2. So we know that 2 over 3 in here is bigger than 1 over 2 in here. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one they will go to positive infinity, but the power is higher than this one. So that means you got about positive infinity. Or we can do on this way. Because this is about s to the power of 1 over 2 is the lowest. So we need to divide by the lowest power in here. On numerator and denominator. So this one you got about number 1. This one you got about s to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. This one you got about s to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. This one we calculate and we got about negative 1 over 6. So we put about 1 over s to the power of 1 over 6. This one we calculate and we got about 1 over 6. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity and so on in here. So 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0, 0, 0. But this one divided by number 1 and they still go to positive infinity. So that's why you got about positive infinity in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.